Welcome back, Char Squad and Pokemon fans. Today we're going to be opening up some more Celestial Storm cards. Hopefully we will do just as well as we did the last 5 packs that we opened. Who knows? If not, we're having fun, and that's what matters. I'm going to give you some code cards and get this started. We have our top loaders ready for something good and some sleeves. Let us get it started. Oh, maybe we should save this stack for last, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. A Seedot, a Wingull. Look at the little piggy balloon. Chunlo, an Onyx, a Fire Energy, Dunsparce, Last Chance Potion. He's hiding in the bush. I didn't notice that. Our reverse holo is Steven's Resolve. Oh, and it is a reverse holo rare, guys. And our rare card is Heatchar holo. Very nice. Very nice. So we'll sleeve that right up. Sleeve this one up. Moving on. Ooh, another one. We're going to save that one, guys. Let's see what happens here. There's a code card for you. Alright. A Lotad. Seedot. It almost looks like a camera, like a surveillance camera. A Beldum. A Lorn Ratatat. A Volt Orb. Sorry about that. It's a little high. A Water Energy, a Lisa, a Beast Ball, a switchity doo. Our reverse holo is a Salmon. That is cool. I like that. Awesome dragon right there. And our rare card is Manectric. So we will sleeve that up. I can't believe we pulled 2 white code cards in a row, guys. Let's see here. Go ahead and get this guy sleeved. I really like that card, guys. That is one of the coolest reverse holos I have pulled out of this set so far. Really cool. Really like that. Oh, another one. Awesome. Alright, ready, go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. A Sneasel. Mudkip. Beldrum. Make sure you go over and check out my boy Jedi Kylo MJD47 ZHR. He streams 7 days a week, about 10:30 Central Standard Time. That's my time. A Wilmer, an Energy, a Huntail, a Grovyle, Energy Switch, Reverse Holo, Rainbow Energy, and our rare Oh, Electro GX, guys. How cool is that? That is awesome. Check it out. That is totally worth throwing up in one of these. Actually, we probably should put that hollow in there too. In one. We will do that right after this one. Way cool. I like the art on that. That is awesome. So let's go ahead and get this one. The Heatran in there. I'll be really happy if this is another white code card, guys. That would just be so awesome. Won't even lie. Oh, no way! Wow! This actually would have been the last pack, but maybe we'll save it. Maybe we'll save it. Let's go ahead and grab these out of here. And there's a code card for you. You know what? There's another code card for you. 2, 3, 4, and 2. You ready for this, guys? A Lotad, Elephant, Wingull, Trico. I love the Trico, guys. He's just cute. Volt Orb, a Electric Energy, Energy Recycle System, Shrine of Punishment, Arco Bike. Decatty is our reverse hollow, and our rare, oh, a GX Aloran Raticate. That's awesome, guys. 2 GX cards in one go. That's way awesome. I mean, Celestial Storm has not been giving us bad luck at all. Alright, that last pack. You guys ready? There you go. It's the code card. And we will go ahead and let's get rid of them bad boys. Just like that. We will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. A Shuppet, Mudkip, a Alolan Rattata. Oh, he's mooning us. Look at his little butt. Surskit, an Energy, Bill's Maintenance, Catchern, Lombre. Our reverse hollow is an Energy Recycle System, and our rare Arcano GX. Check that out, guys. 3 GXs in one video. Can't do much better than that. Wow, guys. That is way cool. I can't believe we pulled all that awesome stuff. Look at that. And all of them are in just great shape, I'm sure. Wow. Not any white on anything. So some great pulls right there. Pretty awesome stuff, guys. Let's get that one in a sleeve. And this one. And we'll do a little recap for you. We have a regular rare Magnetic, a reverse hollow Rainbow Energy, an Energy Recycler, a Salmance, reverse hollow rare, and a reverse hollow rare Steven's Resolve, a Heatran hollow, and 3 GXs, guys. A Alolan Rattata, Electrode, Articano, our big old bird. I like his eyes. They're like red when you move it. That's cool. Look at that. There you go. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. I had fun. I can't wait to see you back in the next video. Until next time, I'm out.